Got the house back there. And we're walking into the Casita. It's a little bit further along. Got some ductwork going. Everything's going to be coming together real soon over here. Some examples of the wiring going through the trusses. So if this was an ICF wall, we would just run those right through the cells, just like we did on the exterior walls. Doesn't look like he's got anything electrical ran through the wall at this point. Unfortunately, I was hoping to be able to show you guys that. But you can actually tell. Walked right by it, didn't notice it. This is where they're testing out to see what they're going to be doing. Channel into the wall and run through there. So they've got the idea down. They just tested it out so far, it looks like.